Here's your invitation to see this year's most innovative new series. Join producer, director, and popular mechanical genius, Keeper of the Mountain, as he walks you through a step-by-step process of building your very own motorized bicycle. This video was not shot on some glitzy Hollywood soundstage under bright lights with loud music. No, dear friends, but in a dimly lit workshop hidden deep in the foothills of the Cascade Mountain Range, under the most primitive of conditions. The critics have seen it and the reviews are in. Mind-bending, says the Seattle Examiner. Best internet series since Leave It to Butthead. That's the way I roll. Makes Avatar look two-dimensional. Click on every episode of Keeper of the Mountain's The Motorized Bicycle. You can't put it down.